In this video, we will look at the fantastic flash fill feature in Excel. In column B on my spreadsheet, you'll see I have a list of people's names and their departments in one column. I would like to separate the names and departments into separate columns. Of course, I could use the text columns feature, which is also very helpful, but flash fill can do more. I'll click into cell C2 and type Bettina Swan. Then using autofill, I'm going to fill it down to the bottom. I don't want the same name all the way down, so from the autofill options tag at the bottom, I can choose flash fill. All the names have been extracted from the adjacent cells, as easy as that. If I only wanted their first name, I could just enter Bettina in the first cell, press enter, and they'll all be changed. And the same goes for the surname. I'm just going to undo that to come back to the full name. Now in column D, I'd like to extract the department. Fill to the bottom, autofill options, flash fill. And there you go. Don't you just love it? In this video, we've looked at flash fill in Excel. Hopefully, you'll find it a great feature to experiment with.